forgot to check my batteries. I hope they make them to the top, make it to the top. All right. What is up, ladies and gentlemen of the universe? I am MtnMoto, and this is Horsepower Hill. Sorry, bro. Sticky tires, sticky tires. Woo. Oh, I love that run. I might have welts. Apparently I was spraying Stevie with rocks all the way up. Super courses definitely get their traction on. So anyway, just like I told you guys at the end of High Grade, if you are interested in this kind of series, definitely send that like button. Go down into the comments and let me know. And also tell me what kind of, or what roads you can think of in the Denver metro area or in the Colorado area, or hell, if I'm out in California or any of the surrounding states, if you guys have a stretch of road that you guys have named and that is as awesome as fucking Horsepower Hill, definitely hit me up. Let me know. But until the next time, you guys stay safe out there. Keep that shiny side up. You know I love each and every one of you. Peace. Woo! I saw 148 kilometers an hour.